Your ZEISS EyeMag medical loupes come in black transport packaging where they can be stored safely and well protected for any transport. Next to your loupe, you'll find a ZEISS microfiber cloth and lens cleaning solution. Please note, ZEISS EyeMag loupes are not waterproof. Apply the spray to the microfiber cloth to clean the lenses and the optical system. The side shields available for the STMS carrier frame ensure additional splash protection during surgical or dental applications. ZEISS EyeMag customized medical loupes are adapted to your individual parameters and requirements. Put them on like normal glasses and you can get started straight away. If you have the ZEISS EyeMag Classic, some minor adjustments might be needed. If the image you see is blurred or doubled, adjust the optical system as follows. Using the screwdriver included, loosen the screws carefully. Take care not to misplace the screws. Slightly loosening the screws is enough. View the test cross. For more information, read the chapter titled Adjusting the Optical System in the instructions for use. Rotate the right optical system until the color fringes on the vertical edges disappear. Select the setting that causes the least color fringing on the horizontal edges. Repeat the steps for the left system. View the test cross at the correct working distance. Rotate one or both systems until you see only one cross. Fix the systems by slightly tightening the locking screws in the retaining rings. Use the headband attached to your loupe to make sure the loupe doesn't fall. Either clip the band behind your head or tighten the headband behind your head, depending on your loupe model. Remove the battery pack from the charger by pulling it up slightly. Then slide it into the EyeMag Lite 2 control unit. The battery pack will lock into place when it's fully inserted. To remove the battery pack, simultaneously press the battery pack removal button and pull out the battery pack. Plug the power supply cable into the power supply port. The control unit comes with a belt clip for optimal operation during use. To switch on the LED illumination, press the on-off button. The LED illumination turns on to the highest intensity setting. Press the on-off button repeatedly to toggle through the following intensity settings: 100%, 66%, 33%, light off. The function indicator will switch on and show the charging status when the unit goes through these settings. The orange filter included can be used when working with a blue light-sensitive hardening material. Slip the orange filter onto the headlamp from the front. It must engage with an audible click. The orange filter swings in and out with a rotating motion. EyeMag Lite comes with several adapters for mounting the light source to your loupe. Use the adapter for individualized ZEISS EyeMag medical loupes. Slide the adapter from above into the guide on the individualized ZEISS EyeMag loupe. Attach the LED headlamp to the adapter from the front. It must engage audibly and can no longer be removed without pressing the release button. To remove the ZEISS EyeMag Lite 2, press the release button. Use the cable clip to fasten the supply cable on the eyeglass frame.